Trouble.
He said he'd rather go in the cage.
Trouble. Let's go get in the tub.
He looks like, damn, it's strict in here. While screaming like he's enduring agonizing pain. Ma'am, something is wrong with your seal. This isn't bath time, it's a survival battle.
Come on. Come on.
His eyes went from yellow to red.
Ain't nobody scared. Shut up.
Well, he's backing up with every cell in his body. Oh my God, a dog doing Pilates on a water tank.
Hey, Blaze, you ready to go take your bath? Hey, listen, we're gonna have to talk about your personal hygiene. It's getting
Strong,
pretty
majestic,
bad, okay?
and shaking like a puppy at bath
All I ask of you is
time.
a weekly bath. You can ignore me if you want to, but we're still gonna have to take a bath. We are. It's giving Fritos. Okay?
Thoughts my dramatic husky has during
Nothing beats Titan's bath time scream.
I got it!
Oh my God, I'm dying. His foot grip on the door frame.
Are you really shaking right now? Do you have full body shivers right now?
Hazel's like, police help,
Yeah,
police.
stop.
Help.
I'm not gonna hurt you.
Bath. Reginald, no. You can have a bath. Reginald.
Poor potato. He wants nothing to do with the bath.
Reginald, you're having a bath. The vet said you're going to have a bath every other day. Come on, bath. It's okay.
Well, they're like anchors when they don't want to move.
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something.
Where are you going? Where are you going? Come on.
Ma'am Zeus says I already have my pajamas on.
Hell. Thanks. Y'all ready to take a bath?
I've been a good boy. I've been a good boy. Please. I've been such a good boy. Don't do it. No.
He's using his whole body to say no.
Come on. No, Trouble. Come on. Let's go. Let's go.
He's acting like it's the end of the world.
In front of my homies like this, Bryce. You gonna do it then, Bryce. I've been waiting on this.
Oh, an unexpected bathroom concert. He's growling like, get me out now, or else. The screams that sound like torture, but it's just a drop of water.
You gotta close the bathroom
Every
door.
bath turns into a failed negotiation between generations. At least he's not running away.
Hey, hello.
This is exactly what bathing husky is like.
Sabi niya.
Not sure if it's bath time or emotional damage. He's like, "Help me, help, please, call the police." First bath, but it looks like a survival movie audition.
Let's go. Hey,
He's like, "I don't need a bath, I need a lawyer."
it's time for a bath. Moses, let's go. Come on.
I wanna be a tutu birampu. Shower. You go up now, shower.
Definitely a shower under threat situation.
Shower, shower, go up. Up. My man, you're waiting there. Go up. Go up. Shower, go up. Up.
You can't win against mom, so just bathe for peace.
So nice.
That face says, "Mom, can we negotiate this?"
Just staring at the water.
Wanna get out? Come, come. Let's go, Kelly. Come on. Come on.
When you're built like a bear, but scared of water like a cat.
Come on. Come on, Liver. Good boy. Come on.
When you're a Doberman fearless of everything, except water.
Nothing beats a Jet2 holiday. And right now,
Using 100% of your muscle power just to avoid a bath.
£100 off for a family of 4. We've got millions of free child place holidays available, with 22 kilograms of baggage included.
I mean, how could he not like it if he's even smiling?
Ay, Dios mío.
When being dramatic is your natural talent, loves playing in the mud but runs for his life when it's bath time. Sometimes they just need a cheerleader.
Come on, you can do it. You can do it, honey. Come on. Do it.
When you think it's execution time, not bath time, one second he's happy, the next he's questioning life. The real definition of getting a bath together. was supposed to be a bath turned into a full concert. Oh my God, the fear in this dog's eyes.
You got it, Rosie
Well, I can literally feel every cell in his body resisting.
Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Looks like an action movie, but it's just bath time. When you hear bath and your survival instincts kick in,
Girl, don't do that.
she's trying to see what's up, apparently.
Honey, wanna get a bath? Wanna get a bath? Come on, honey.
He's like, no thank you, Mom.
Honey, let's get a bath. Honey.
We have to go take a bath. Hey, Blaze, you ready to go take a bath?
Let's go. Bath. Come on. Get top.
I've been a good boy. I've been a good boy, please. I've been such a good boy. Don't do it. No.
So let's go get the tub. Come on, man. Come on. No, come on. Let's go. Let's go. No.
Okay, Rosie. You stink and it's time to get a bathy.
You ready to take a bath? Come on, look. Come on. Come on in here. Simple. You hear me talking to you. Come on. Come on.
Gotta take a bath. Come on. Let's go. Come on.
Bath, buddy. Buddy, bath. Buddy. Really nice for a bath.
He's playing in the mud with your boy. Scar, get in the tub. Get in the tub, bitch.
Come on. Come on.
快点洗澡。
Come on, you guys, bath time. Get in here.
Do you want to take a bath?
I was just kidding. I was kidding. I swear I was kidding.
Hey, Blaze, you ready to go take your bath? We have to go take a bath.
Just keep swimming, just keep swimming, just keep swimming, swimming, swimming.